everybody. Happy Monday and welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn and this is Lynn's Wonderful World of Makeup and More. For those of you that are new here, welcome. If you wouldn't mind jumping down and hitting that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. For those of you that have come back, thank you for sticking with me. You guys, I will be putting a video up later on this week to explain to you why I've had to take the long break that I've had to take, and to let you know when I will be back, which will be very, very soon. I am so excited. I have missed you guys so much. I've missed my playing with my makeup. I've missed my YouTube family and friends that I have come to know and grow and love so much. And I am super excited to be back. But in my hiatus, I have tried to at least stop to take the time to acknowledge when people have sent me friend mails or giveaways, which is the purpose of today's video. Today's video, I am showing you a box that I won in a giveaway from Nina. Her channel is called Just Nina. If you all do not know who she is, oh my gosh, you guys have got to go over and check her out. She is super amazing. She is funny. She is honest. She is sweet. She makes me laugh so much. I absolutely love her channel. And she's not just a makeup channel. She does something different every day of the week. She has Makeup Mondays, Tiny Tuesdays, Winner Wednesdays, which is what this is. Every Wednesday she picks a winner and gives away one of these nice little boxes that she puts together. Taste Test Thursdays. I can't think of what Friday is. Saturday is Sample Saturday, and Sunday is Shout Out Sundays, and she does a mixture of other videos in between. Like I said, not all of them are makeup related. Some of them are about food. She's just got a really good channel, and if you guys don't walk away with a smile after watching her, there is something wrong with you. But I will definitely leave her channel linked in the description box down below. You guys, please go over and check her out. Show her some love. Make sure while you're there to hit that subscribe button. She just recently got monetized, which I think is super amazing. And she just finished celebrating her birthday. But she's got lots of wonderful stuff that she puts up. She's a really sweet person. And let me just get in and show you this box that I won from her. Like I said, every Wednesday she gives away a box that she fills with different goodies. You want to know how to win, you got to go check out her channel and find out. Now, in every box, which is really super amazing, she always puts in a hand sanitizer. And I got coconut lime, which really excites me because coconut is one of my favorite scents. And I love that it's got the little holder thing so I can strap it to my purse, my jeans, whatever, and don't gotta worry about losing it. And like I said, it's scented. It's coconut lime. And I go through a rack of hand sanitizer because I am always on the go. And since I have to use public transportation, I'm constantly putting it on my hands. And I got a 2-pack of the disposable face masks, which I think it's really cool that she puts those 2 items in the box, because she does that. That's just extras that she throws in there, and that's something that we all need. We all have to use on a daily basis. So I think it's really cool that she puts that in there. But as for the box that I won from her, the first thing I'm going to show you guys, it's an Ish Lip Duo Hydra Gloss set. I actually had to stop this and retape it because I felt like a bonehead until my husband pointed out to me what I had done wrong. So this is what the little set looks like. It's a lip liner, and what I thought was a very pretty lipstick until I couldn't figure out that I couldn't get the top off, and I kept pulling the bottom off, and I was like, oh my gosh, it's broken, until he showed me, it's not a lipstick, it is what it says, it's a lip gloss. It's a luster lip gloss, and that on top that you see, that is the shade. of the lip gloss, which makes me super, super happy because lip gloss is my absolute favorite makeup item ever. For those of you that follow me, you know that. Lip gloss is my all-time favorite, even more than eyeshadow palettes, I think. I get excited about lip gloss. And then it also has the lip liner, which is also in the same shade, which is that pink right there. I generally don't use lip liners, but I might try it just to see how it works with just that in a basic lip gloss. I'm not big on lip liners at all. I can't hold my hand steady enough to get it around right, but I may try. The next thing that I won, I got the Laundress. I don't know if you guys can see that. The Laundress Wash and Stain Bar. It's just a little bar. It's like a soap. I don't know, I've had one before. I got it in my FabFitFun. When you get a little spot on your shirt or whatever, you spill something on your jeans, you just put some water on it and rub this in there, and it gets the stain out before it sets in, so if you can't wash it right away, that way your stuff doesn't get all stained up and doesn't come out. The next thing that I got in my box is a little sample set of a professional extra whitening system. It's a little, and these are nice for traveling with. I like these little mini size stuffs. But this is, this is a little whitening toothpaste, and then this is the little accelerator. It says that you add 2 drops onto the toothpaste, and it's supposed to make your teeth 9 shades whiter. I'll give it a try, or if at best I'll put it in a bag when I go to visit somebody for the weekend or something. The next thing that I got a charcoal nose cleansing strips. I love these things, guys, because I get blackheads on my nose, and I just think it helps clean your nose out really, really good. And the last thing that I got in my box, and I think this is super cool, is a Yes to 3 triple masking kit. It's a calming, detoxifying, and vitamin C glow boost. You have 3 mud masks in here. You can either use them on your face all together in 3 different sections, depending on where you want, depending on the zone of your skin type, or you can use them one at a time individually and do your whole face, which is probably how I will do it. You have the cucumber, which is the calming, and then you have the detoxifying charcoal mud mask, and then at the bottom you have the vitamin C glow boosting grapefruit mud mask. I like to do masks. I didn't really used to be into skincare, and in the last, I don't know, 6-7 months, I've gotten really big on it. I've stepped away from it. Since I took my hiatus, I haven't really been doing my makeup or my skincare. Like I said, I've had a lot going on. I will be putting out a video to explain to you guys where I've been and what's been going on. But, like I said, I did want to take the time to acknowledge the giveaway that I had won. Like I said, this is from Justmina. I will leave her channel in the description box below. Trust me, guys, if you guys do not know who she is, there is something on her channel that will catch your attention. And like I said, she is funny. She is witty. If you do not walk away getting a smile or a laugh out of her video, I don't know. She really, really, I look forward to her upload. And like I said, she uploads every day. She uploads something different every day. But like I said, Mud Mask Monday, Tiny Tuesday, Winter Wednesday, Taste Test Thursday. I cannot believe that. I can't think of what Friday is. But Sample Saturday and Shout Out Sundays. When you go over there and check her out, don't forget, guys, hit that subscribe button and show her some love. She has a really, really wonderful channel, and I mean, I can't say too much more about her. She's just amazing. I love her. And thank you, Nina, for this wonderful box that I won. I look forward to many more videos of watching you. And you guys, I will be putting up a video in the next couple of days, like I said, to let you guys know where I've been, and that I will be coming back sometime in the next week or so. I should be back full force. For those of you that are stuck around and are still watching, thank you, thank you, thank you. For those of you that have written me and DM'd me on IG or sent me emails or whatever just to check on me, thank you. I feel so lucky to have the love and support of the group of friends that I have made. I do not call you guys my followers. You guys are my friends. Some of you guys are so close you've almost become family. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching, and until next time, love and hugs, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Everything